With nearly 1 million Floridians out of work, unemployment compensation is a vital lifeline. But this week, Governor Rick Scott signed a law that makes that lifeline shorter and more difficult to grasp. Job hunters at today's career fair at the Tampa Wyndham Hotel clutched resumes and waited nervously, hoping they and their ties would make a good impression.
Can I take a look at your resume?
But until that offer comes in, many here depend on a state unemployment check to get by.
To pay your bills with, it's not a whole lot, but it does help.
For groceries and gas, and to be able to afford to come to something like this, just buying the paper to put your resume on.
But this week, Governor Rick Scott signed a bill cutting benefits and tightening requirements for the jobless. Benefits that now last 26 weeks will be cut to 23, and then to as few as 12 weeks should the economy improve. The law makes it easier for employers to deny paying benefits based on employee misconduct, and it requires job hunters to provide proof of at least 5 job hunting contacts each week.
Really represents a shameful attack on the victims of this recession.
Unions and many workers call the law stingy and punitive, but the Associated Industries of Florida see it as good for business.
I don't think it's fair for a Florida business to sit there and pay unemployment compensation to somebody who goes out and meets with one person and then goes back home and sits on the couch and just waiting for the check to come in.
But Mary and her partner Ken, also unemployed, find it unlikely that the $275 a week maximum benefit is much of an inducement to fraud.
You can't live large on unemployment. There's not enough benefits paid. People would rather be working.
That's clearly true of these people who hope the governor who just shrank their safety net will expand their opportunity.
Here's the business card.
And make good on his promise to get Florida back to work. Well, this new law also reduces the amount employers have to kick into that unemployment compensation trust fund, saving them about $33 a month per employee.